Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Ubriaco, Soul Pilot with you again. Thanks so much for joining me. Just make yourselves comfortable. Close your eyes and relax by the water here. Imagine sitting by a beautiful lake. Listening to the relaxing waves. Letting go of any other concerns whatsoever. And just being present. Letting all other concerns just wash on by. Feel the new energies in the air. The summer energies in the air. The vibrant energies in the air. Let them help you, empower you, energize you, and refresh you, and renew you, make you whole. Feel yourself getting lighter. Feel that wonderful energy coming in. See it and feel it washing over you. New life energy in the air, in the water, in the sky, all around you. Allow yourself to feel more calm. Waves of calmness washing over you now. Waves of tranquility washing over you now. Waves of peace washing over you now. Soaking it all up. Enjoying the scenery and the divine energy that accompanies it. A very soft breeze. Soaking that up too. Positive, uplifting energy. Welcome it in. Enjoying the warmth, the comfort, the relaxation. Feeling completely at ease. Feeling grateful for Mother Nature, this beautiful blessing she's offering you now, today and every day. The beauty of nature all around you today and every day. The gift of life you've been given today and every day. Thanking Mother Nature, thanking the water, thanking the air, thanking the sky, thanking the earth, Mother Earth, all of creation. Beautiful healing energies all around you. Beautiful season of summer energies with you now. Let us thank God, Creator, and all these beautiful divine blessings. And thank yourself for taking this time for you as you bring all these energies back into your physical bodies, coming back to this time, back to this place, getting ready to open your eyes, feeling calm and peaceful and relaxed.